You know, four.
What are you going to get with that money, Corbin?
Four.
You can get some ice cream? Are you going today to get ice cream?
Yeah.
Say thank you, Granny. Can you say thank you to Granny? Thank you, Granny. Blow her a kiss. Go mwah.
Mom. She's goodbye.
Oh, that's nice. Say bye, Granny. Go like this. Bye, Granny. Say love you.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
There it is. There's that ice cream money, huh?
Well,
Ice cream.
this is so big.
You gonna go today and get ice cream?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. You too, see.
Thank you, Granny. That's right.
Bye, see.
Bye, Granny. Blow her a kiss.